What's up, y'all? And welcome back to another vlogmas video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, y'all. I just got off work not too long ago. It is 3:48, and your girl got a wax appointment at 5. But oh, this chicken wing is smacking. But I need to go. Okay, here's the thing. This don't look as tacky as I thought it did because it is black in this jacket. I got on this tube dress, flannel jacket. Y'all seen from Shein. Two dresses also from Shein. Then I have some all black Jordans. I don't know which Jordans. I just know they're Jordans. I be talking about I just bought my first pair of Jordans, but these really my first pair of Jordans. But I didn't buy them on my phone. Anyway, I need to go. Okay, so this thing. My wax appointment is at 5. But I need to go to Hobby Lobby, Target, and the mall. So here's another thing. Hobby Lobby's on this side of town. So I won't be going to Hobby Lobby before the wax appointment. It's just not possible. But in Target might not happen if I find something in the mall. But I'm going to the mall to find shoes and a jacket. Well, don't get shoes and a jacket at the mall. I'm just gonna be out of look, basically. But also the mall might have what I need for Hobby Lobby. I'm getting Hobby Lobby is gift wrapping paper, like some gift boxes, Christmas boxes, and Christmas bags. That's what's coming from Hobby Lobby and tape. Target also has that, so like I said, Hobby Lobby doesn't necessarily have to happen. I kind of just want to go inside the Hobby Lobby. It definitely depends on how I feel when I leave my wax appointment. My wax appointment is not going to take long. It's at 5. I should be done way by the time 5:30 hit. I'm doing to get my armpits waxed and my eyebrows waxed. That's it. I was going to wait on my eyebrows, but my little sister, not my little sister, y'all see my vlogs, but my proclaimed little sister that I went to high school with just got a job there and just finished her training. So I want to go support my sis. So and I'm not ready for vaginal waxes yet. I'm not there yet. And I think that'd be weird for her to wax me. So that's the thing. I don't want nobody I know waxing me down there. I want a stranger to do that. And I'm not even hyped for that idea yet. So that hasn't happened, obviously. But yeah, I'm getting my armpits and eyebrows waxed. So it shouldn't take no more than 30 minutes. So when I leave there, depending on the time and how I feel, I might go to other stores. I might go to Ross. Will Ross really have what I need? Absolutely not. I'm not going to Ross. But I could go to Simply 10 is where I could go. If the mall doesn't have what I need. In the mall we have rainbows and we have It's Fashion. I think in the other two stores that caters to my size. So I think in the other two stores. I don't know, but I'm gonna walk around the mall and see though. I'm definitely gonna see. Cause like I said, I need a jacket. Preferably one like this but a different color. Maybe. I don't know. A jacket and shoes. I need some clear sandals or some type of brown sandals, something, silver sandal, something. It's for my outfit that I'm wearing for tomorrow, which literally I'm wearing is this dress in brown. It's the exact same dress, but it's brown. And I want to dress it up, so that's why I need a jacket. I can wear this jacket, honestly. I just don't want to. Because, I don't know. I don't want to. I want a bomber. Oh my gosh, a bomber, like, I don't know, it gotta be like a crazy color though. Something that complements brown really well. Orange does. Yeah, I know I've been an orange key. So let me fuck around and find an orange bomber. It's probably not gonna happen. But let me fuck around and find an orange bomber. Or what? Pink. Pink a hit. Pink and brown. Or don't want black. I already ordered a black bomber, which is coming tomorrow. My refund process is I got my money back from Amazon. So guess what I did? I ordered books. I ordered 2 standalones in a series. So yeah. Still spent a good little bit of money, but I got money back. So Loki didn't pay for 2 books. Hockey didn't pay for 2 books. Yeah. What did I say? Yeah. I'm stressing. I need to make it to this. I don't know how far the place is from the mall. I probably should look it up. I think it's only like 3 minutes though. Like I think it's across. If I'm right about the location of this place, it's across the street from me. So, but shoes and a jacket. Also, I'm going through all my shoes tomorrow. I have 2 bags of shoes in my trunk, and I do not wear any of them. I will probably never in my life wear any of them ever again. If it's not my Crocs, I just pulled these Jordans out of my trunk because I need to start wearing these some more. If it's not my Crocs, my work shoes, I got some slides that went through the summer that are already out. My Air Force Ones, I just ordered some Jordans. I need boots. Oh, I just got them ankle boots from Walmart, which are a hit. Which I also could wear. No, I'm not feeling it. Look, I'm not feeling snow boots with that outfit. Why does my jacket feel like it's sticking? But yeah. Hopefully I find stuff. It's 3:57, so I'm gonna be walking into the mall at 4 o'clock. So it gives me approximately 45 minutes to walk around the mall if I want to eat. One thing about me, y'all, I don't spend all day in no stove. I don't like spending all day in no stove. If I can't find what I need to find after going through every section that I know I can go through, next. I don't contemplate stuff. It's either I'm gonna get it or I'm not gonna get it. Like, that's it. Either yes or no. That's it. So, I wish the Route 21 in our mall had plus size, but our Route 21 do not have plus sizes. So, y'all know how rainbows be. Rainbows be iffy. So, I'm really depending on It's Fashion. So, I need to find it first. Even though I don't know what side of the mall is on. I do not know the layout of the mall at all. Which is my fault. But I don't go to the mall. Our mall is so freaking lame. Bigger mommy, please. That's why I online shop. This is why I shop on Shein once a month. Because how else would I get clothes, honestly? And it's cheap. Like, who's complaining about it? I said the word. I would never. I need to go to Sephora. But Sephora still ain't getting my Sephora credit card yet. And that's the only way I'm shopping this shit from Sephora. No cap. Unless I get desperate. Right now, I'm not desperate for no new makeup. So, I need to call them about that credit card because I ain't got no email or nothing about it. Nothing. It's literally, I have gotten no updates about the Sephora credit card. So, it's 4 o'clock. I'm at the mall. Just got my pork. I'm sure everybody knows my mini so. I need to look up where the wax center is from here. That's nice. When I park, that's what I'm gonna do. I can just park in the front. I'm not parking all the way in the back. I'm gonna have to park on the different side of the mall. I don't care what side it is. I'm just used to it. Food court is the best part. If it's not the food court, your bitch gonna get lost. Ooh, everybody and their mother. Jesus Christ. Also, I need to go to Target to get a gift for Christmas party I'm going to tomorrow. That's also what I'm getting outfit for. The Christmas party I'm going to tomorrow. Damn, I'm on the wrong side. She just came out that part. I already got it anyway. Well, for every 21. You know what be killing our parts? Get out the road. Cause I hit people. Part by JCB at this point. I do not have time for this shit. Literally do not have this time. Not even being funny. Yeah, I'm gonna go park by JCB because I don't want to park 18 spaces away from the door. Just because I don't know what I'm gonna buy. And if I have too many bags, I'm gonna be pissed. Not to say I'm gonna go shop crazy, but you know the vibes. Yeah, literally. I could park right in front of Belk, but everybody named Mother Belk probably got some shoes. I don't feel like spending on Belk money on shoes, so it's a part. Yeah! Park at that Belk. And if I find something in Belk, I need to find these fashion first. No, okay. Okay. I need to look up how far European waxing is and go from. Listen to me when I say this. I ain't coming back to the mall. I am not coming back over here. Oh. That's why it's hot. I'm gonna take this freaking jacket off. Oh, my car is finna be done with me, baby. Okay, listen. I ain't coming back to the mall. So if anybody wanna go to the mall, I'm going by myself. Like I just went by myself. You feel me? It's so hot. Put that trash out there, cause no. It's so hot. It was hot in the mall. It's hot in this car. Hot outside. It's hot. Let me get out that way. I did get shoes though. Not what I was slightly even looking for. But I came to the conclusion, like I said, I don't like spending all day in the store. It is 4:37, y'all. I was in there for 30 minutes. Literally. I told you, I don't like spending all day in the store. This is not what I was looking for. Not what I was going in there for. Especially was fucking clothes. I'm so mad about it. But I decided I could wear that with these shoes and my black bomber that I ordered. And so I bought the shoes and realized my black bomber doesn't come until Sunday, not tomorrow. So that's a bummer. Will I change the outfit I'm wearing tomorrow? Like this dress? Probably. We'll see. But I do have some Adidas furry fuzzy slides. They're so freaking cute. They did not say Adidas. Anyways, it's not Adidas, but furry slides, y'all, and they're so freaking cute. I don't even care they're not actually Adidas. They're just cute and they're cheap. So this the move. I'm wearing these shoes, but it would have hit with this. It would hit so hard with this. But I guess I'm be wearing the brown one. I just don't have my black bomber, and they're really blowing me. But I don't have time to look for another black jacket. And I don't want to own two black jackets, first of all. No. So I don't know what I'm put on jacket wise. I have no idea what kind of jacket I'm gonna put on. I don't know. I might not wear a jacket on. I might just go like this. But the girlies ain't never seen me with no clothes on, so they don't know I dress like this. Y'all, I got a whole nother outfit idea, just like that. I'm not gonna wear the dress. I'm not gonna wear the dress. I think I probably wear the shoes. I'm not wearing the dress. I have a shirt. I have a short shirt. It's pink. I wear jeans in the shoes. Just like that. I've been looking for an excuse to wear that shirt. Because I have blouses, don't get me wrong. I just literally never wear any of them. Okay, but bad news is about the fact that I just left there. Still gotta go to Target. Still gotta go to Hobby Lobby. So that just blew me. But the outfit I'm finna wear, oh, that's gonna be cute. I just wanted to dress up. And that's gonna be cute. And that's dressing up. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go get me some to eat too. Now that I'm thinking about it. So what am I gonna eat tonight? For the next episode of Alicia Don't Know Shit. She never knows shit. She will never know shit. I think, waxing the ears across the street. I think it says it's number 112. So I'm gonna be looking for 112. I don't know what side of this. It's in Midtown Village. Of course, y'all know what that is. Not from Tuscaloosa, but Midtown Village is a shopping center filled with different stores and establishments and food places and all the goods. Yeah, I'm gonna cross the street. There's a couple stores over there. I need to find some baby Crocs for my godson. So that's the thing. Yeah, people see me talking to myself. They probably think I'm crazy. I'm not. I'm literally just vlogging. But look at all these people still come to the mall. Yeah, I ain't coming back. We have a selfie museum in our mall now, y'all. There's so many new stores. They got a kids' day spa coming in the mall. Now, I do not go to the mall, so I do not know any of this. So that is really Bolero closed on a Friday afternoon at 4 o'clock. That's nuts. I'm at my appointment. I'm gonna be at my appointment so early. I'm not mad about it. Yeah, I'm finna be right by Barnes & Noble. But yeah, okay. I go to Barnes & Noble a lot. Barnes & Noble's in Midtown Village. If that gives you any perspective. So, I shouldn't have worn these shoes that I got on right now. Okay, it really hurt my feet already. These joints always hurt my feet though. So bad. So freaking bad. I think these women's shoes. And my Air Force One, my Air Force Ones hurt my feet like that too. You would think these shoes though was broken in already, but they're really not. Now I gotta go search for this wax place. I should ask her what time she get off work. Maybe me and her can go shopping together. It's another shoe store in Midtown Village I can go to and look for these baby Crocs. I can really get a gift card from the wax place, and that can be my gift because I don't want to go to Target. I went to Target yesterday. I don't want to go to Target. So I'm asking them if they sell like $10 gift cards or $15 gift cards. She said to spend $10 to $15 on the gifts, and that's as much as I'm spending. So I'm gonna see if they got a $10 gift card. And if they do, yay. I hope this is a straight lane because I gotta go straight. But traffic is already ass as fuck. Everybody and their mama is already out. I know it's gonna be 10 times worse next week. So I'm glad our Christmas party is tomorrow. And I'm glad I don't have to do any Christmas shopping besides going to get these Crocs. And I better freaking find the Crocs, y'all. If I don't, I'm gonna be so upset. Okay, let me slow down because I don't know what this massage place is. We have a Lululemon. Lululemon is 180, I think. Oh, it's right here. Oh my gosh, look at God. And the cookie place right here, so I might go get that after I. Am I in this part? I'm not in the next episode. Yeah. Or they should just be swinging this motherfucking car. Why is it so dark in here? Is a real question. My lights on. Okay, do I want to put this jacket on? Absolutely not, because it's hot. Do I want to put a cough drop in my mouth? Absolutely could. Yeah, all these are cough drop wraps. I be saying these things, but I really eat them like a candy. Could taste like candy. Just dump whatever's left in there and just use this as trash now. Okay. My girlfriend did it all the way together. I'm so excited. Let's close this. I'm not putting that jacket back on. It's a shoe store over here that I need to go in. It's a plus size fashion store right there, but they have old people clothes. So jackets, we'll see. We'll see. I need my purse. I'll put this box back there. Oh, it's like bougie white people clothing stores over here. But Tory is a plus size fashion place. They sell only like plus size clothes. But it be old people clothes. And they're expensive. So, I don't know. But yeah, let me go ahead and get my wax. Y'all. How am I doing? What do you mean my door is open? Oh, my jacket was sticking out of it. Anyways, y'all, just got the wax. Just got the wax and my armpits feel amazing. Know the eyebrows look good as they should. Yeah, eyebrows, they hurt so bad. I could go to Kobe's, y'all. Should I treat myself to Kobe's? Buffalo's Cafe. Never heard of her. She's open. I might take myself out to eat right now. My mom don't want to hang with me. So, if I take myself out to eat, y'all can go. I can either go Kobe's or Buffalo's Cafe. I feel like taking myself out. Oh, they said, fuck it, I'ma go. It's so early and it feels so late. But yeah, my hair look, y'all, my armpits, they hurt, but they feel so good. Oh, she said, if you come often, you won't have to worry about that. But yeah, I got me a new wax lady, so I ain't worried. I do not know where the shoe store is at. So let's find her and go on her first. And then we're going to figure out the food. Because, girl, everybody just leaving their destination. Oh, they got lash and brow spa. I might need to go there and get some individual lashes. Buffalo's Cafe look nice. I'm gonna call my mama again and see if she wanna meet me. And if she wanna be like that, then I'll eat by myself. Or I can call my auntie. Or no one. But because my auntie probably easy too. Oh, here go the shoe store. If I can find a part. Oh, they finna leave. Shot. Look at God, y'all. Look at God. Let me let these folks outside and get their park. Right in front of the store. And they sell all kinds of Crocs. So if I can find my baby some Crocs, that'll be perfect. Let me turn my ceiling light on so they don't think I'm being weird. Oh, there was another part. Oh no, that ain't a part. Ooh, shout out God. Shout out God. If I get my baby Crocs right now, I'm gonna be so happy. It's still pretty darn hot. So I'm still not finna put no. Oh, I went the cheap route. Got the gift card. So yeah, I still need to go to Hobby Lobby though because I don't have wrapping paper, nothing like that. But let's go into y'all. I got the shoes. They have all different types. So I'm definitely going to there and get my next pair of Crocs. More than likely, I already see the ones that I want. By next month, I might be getting me a pair with fur in them, so we'll see. But here's his Crocs. Oh my gosh, they're so freaking cute. So glad I saw these before I was gonna get them other ones. Aren't they so cute? I need this colorway. I need this colorway so bad. I'm literally looking through the window, see if they have this colorway in my size. I just put this in all crazy. I still need to go to Hobby Lobby, by the way. Just in case y'all wanted to know. Still don't have. Let me put it. Yeah, I don't have my ID with me, by the way. Because it's still in my work pants. That I. Let me put this in there. It's still in my work pants that I took off. Because I put in my work pants. Because I drove the kids today. And forgot to take them off. So that's tea. I'm finna just go get the sushi and eat by myself. Oh, Lord, my car not cranking up, y'all. I knew that was gonna happen. Freaking knew it. Oh no, my car's smoking. Oh my. Okay, y'all. Sushi is secured. And car is not working. It's like, yay. I'm so happy about not having my car. so happy. But I'm just gonna pray that it can get fixed tomorrow completely, and not tomorrow, definitely this next week. I'm just gonna have to charge the game, really.